friends, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I just shared with y'all my pot that I put on my porch, the flowers that I planted on my porch. And of course you know that they are artificial, and I shared with y'all me changing up the wreaths that I already had. This is my magnolia one. Y'all know I love this one. So here's the flowers that's on there, the magnolia flowers. I love the big green leaves. So what I did, I went around yesterday looking all around at all the stores looking for, my mop is always in the video. That's because I mopped last night. I mopped downstairs, but I brought the mop upstairs to sweep the mop up here, but the baby came and I ended up dumping my water and left it right there. Anywho, off subject, I ended up going looking around for another wreath, couldn't find one. So I think I'm gonna leave some of the magnolias on. I went to the dollar store and I bought this bunch of flowers that they have, and so I just popped this magnolia off and I put this on here. So pretty color, pink, and yeah, it didn't match what I'm trying to do. So I got a little bit of time. I'm getting ready to have company, and so I got a little bit of time to finishing up cooking at the same time as I'm cleaning my kitchen. I'm gonna clean my kitchen up, sweep the mop, and hop in the shower. And then I'm still gonna have to cook and stuff like that. But I at least I would have things done. Y'all can work under pressure. I can work good under pressure, but I don't want to be under pressure because I don't want to sweat. So this was something I wasn't planning on doing today, but hey, I ran across the flowers and I'm like, well, you know what? Let me go ahead and pop them off of there. See if I can get them on here if they fit. This little bundle from the Dollar Tree cost me $3. Because this one was a little bit more fuller than the other ones. I don't know why, but this one ain't, it was stuck on one of these things and I just pulled it off. But it's like, you know, when I'm going in, I'm gonna get it on though. I ain't got time, Dollar Tree. Play with me. And what it is that the little hole is a little bit smaller than this one. So if I gotta cut it to make it a little bit bigger, that's what I'm doing. Let me show y'all when I finish. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near. Good morning, YouTube family. Happy Saturday, y'all. Today is Saturday, May 17th. Oh, let me pause the TV. I'm watching Simply Simona. While they working on their off-grid. So y'all, came in here. Listen, I've been up, and I know I'm not looking best. Okay, but y'all done seen me ever worse. So I was letting my grandbaby out, and his mother said, I got a package on the porch. And I'm like, I didn't order anything. So I said, oh, it must be my rug. Let me turn the camera around. Because, for one, already with the colors, it's not the color I was expecting. But we ain't going to rule it out yet. So, the area rug I told y'all I ordered from Temu. I seem so close. Hold on. I ain't used this camera in so long. Wait a minute. Oh no. Hold on. Hold on. Am I in? Hold on. Oh no. I see it zooming in. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. Anyways, let me turn this around real quick. So I started opening the package. The way it look on this camera right now is the color I would want, but looks more like a beige color, like a taupe color, versus the ivory that it's supposed to be. You know, so I'm gonna tell Temu because they had one that had that color, and they also had one that was, you know, white. So I'm gonna see what they'll do. It took forever to get it, but yeah, it is what it is. So I just wanna, they said they had to ship this by sea because of the weight. When I tell you this thing don't even weigh a pound or whatever, 2 pounds. I don't know why they had to do all of that. I waited almost 2 months for this rug, but I just want to lay it out a little bit right here in the kitchen just to see what it's gonna look like. Hold on. So this is it right here. Now, this is definitely not the color I ordered. It's definitely not a 6x9. Definitely. And so, yeah, the rug, of course, was only $36. But, you know, even if I decided to keep this rug, it's still not a 6x9. You know what I mean? So, it is not the color. It's definitely not the color. So, yeah. I don't know. I told y'all I watched a Javon on Javlogs, and she ordered an area rug. It wasn't this type of area rug, though. But her area rug was really nice. And some of the other ladies, I see them order the furniture and everything from Temu, and it looks so nice. Now, they will give an honest opinion if it's cheaply made or whatever, you know. But, yeah, so that's what made me order the rug. But, definitely is a no for me. Definitely is a no for me. So, they did all that shipping by sea and all that for what? Because, yeah, So, I will be writing them, and they could either send me something else, you know, or just, you know, I send it back. I don't know, but I don't like it. So I just thought I would come on and just share with y'all. But that ain't it, baby. I've been waiting all this time, honey, and that ain't it. That is not it. So I'll be continue to look at Ross or something. Hey, y'all. I was at Home Goods the other day, and they had this mirror. It might still be at the store. Not the exact mirror that I want, because y'all know my mirror right here. You know, this is the ideal of what I would want for a floor mirror. I didn't want to get the same style, because I know I can go back to Value City and get that. But at Hobby Lobby, first of all, let me go back to Hobby Lobby. They had like a big, thick, square mirror. It was kind of on the shorter side. Maybe, I don't even know. I think I'm probably taller than the mirror, or maybe a little taller. But the mirror, it was really cute. It's like a wood color. Looked kind of black or either really dark brown. I don't know. But that was one of the mirrors that was like $4.99. And then, you know, for 40% off. The other one was black. Had like the little design like all the mirrors have at the top. Black wood trim. The black kind of looked more brown. Once they moved it to the hallway, it looked like it was in between a black and a brown wood. But it was one of them really wide archway type mirrors, and really, really wide. The mirror was wide, and that's what made me like it. But when I went back to pick it up, when I picked that blue furniture up, I didn't want it, because I was like, it ain't really what I want, and the price is just up too high. So they got one made like that with the gold trim at Home Goods. It's $1.99, y'all. And I started to get it the other day, and I kind of went back and forth about it. I ain't gonna tell you the reason why I went back and forth about it, but so I got a little irritated that day. But anyways, I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. If the mirror's still there, I may give it a shot. It's plain. One of the reasons it's plain, they don't have no type of design to it. But it was the shape that I wanted. I don't want to just spend my money on something just because I want what I get to be something that is like a forever. You know what I mean? Peace. Y'all know I love mirrors, and I got all kind of mirrors around this house. But the width is definitely what I wanted. But the size of it. The no design or anything on it was a no for me. I want that mirror for. I'm just turning this camera. I want that mirror to go right here in this corner in my living room. I'm gonna move that reindeer, but I want it to be on the side of my fireplace. And I just want, and I know I got that mirror right there. This mirror I still ain't got. It still ain't moved. So it's got to get moved over just to center it. When I used to have a cabinet in here, it looked like it was centered because of the way the cabinet was, and that cabinet was there for years. But I want this to be centered on the wall, just in case I decide to move my couch over here sometimes. But I had my couch on this wall before, but the cabinet was over there. You know what I mean? So it looked centered. It looked like it was right above the couch. But now if I put it over there, it's going to look odd because it's going to be pushed over away from the middle of the couch. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. But anyways, I'm still getting the mirror right there. It's going to be mirrored up. It's just like if you had pictures on every wall, I'm going to have mirrors. So on this wall, I still got to find a piece to go here. I've been in Burlington and Ross. I haven't found anything. So TJ Maxx, y'all know they don't really have none. Marshalls, blah. So yeah, I'm just going to have to ride out somewhere and try to find what I'm looking for. Yeah, and definitely now look for me a rug. I done waited all this time so patiently, and I ain't getting no good results. So yeah, I think I'm getting ready to, once I get through editing this video that I have going on my computer right now, I'm going to go look for me a rug. So, okay. I'll call you back.